Hi, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here. And today we have the Habu SS out here, the little 50mm, and we're gonna try a couple things just to see how it does, and hopefully it does good. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna try to take off from grass, and hopefully it takes off and lands okay in the grass. Backup plan, if it doesn't want to take off from the grass, is to hand launch it. And I'm not too excited about that, so hopefully it takes off from the grass. Number two, we're gonna try flying with 3S 2200 milliamp hour battery, so a little heavier even, to try and cut through this grass. So I do have it as far back in the battery compartment as I can get it, and let's see if we can get this thing in the air and get a few laps in. All right, we're gonna take off with safe on, and of course we're gonna angle into the wind. The wind's coming from the tree today, so we gotta watch out for the little flags, but we're kind of going into the wind here, and that'll help us get it in the air. Cross your fingers. Let's do it. Oh, she is not gaining speed. No, we're gonna hand launch it. But hopefully, since it was rolling, the landing will be okay. All right, safe is on. That should help me keep it nice and straight as I hand launch it. It's got these little spots for your fingers to help out. You want to throw it into the wind with full throttle and probably nose up. I mean, safe is going to bring it back to level, but at least to give you that extra little second, not straight up, but kind of forward and up. Woo! That was full elevator to keep it going. Here we go, easing out of the throttle. We'll bring it around in safe. Nice easy pass into the wind here. Not bad. All right, take it up. Safe is off now. We'll back out of this throttle a little bit as we go downwind here. We don't want to get it too far over. There you go, not too bad. In high rates, of course. The shadow's playing with me there. I'm hoping for all good results today, even though it didn't take off. I didn't get a lot of sleep last night, so I don't need bad results. We'll probably use safe to land it, just to help me keep it nice and straight. And when you're not 100%, don't be afraid to use that safe, because it's always nice to bring the airplane back for another day when you are 100%. There we go, bring it around here. This sure is a fun little airplane. I like that it has a rudder and it has wheels. And the next time we bring it out here to do this in the grass, we'll have the wheels off. Those back mains come off really easy, but the front, you have to take a screw out on the top for the control arm. But other than that, super easy. I'm not exactly sure what I did with my timer, but I think it's told me that I'm close on battery level, maybe. Let's take it up into the loop and roll out of it. It's got a nice roll rate in high rates, but we got a decent amount of wind today, so I'm having to be extra careful that I don't end up getting it upside down. It's telling me 30 seconds on my, I think I had it on a 3-minute timer. And with the 2200 milliamp hour battery, I should be able to go a little bit farther. I have been giving it a little more power, being that it's a little heavier. So I am having to use more power. So it's kind of a trade-off. You got more capacity in the battery, but you're having to use more power to keep it going. So I'm not sure how much you save by flying heavier, I don't know. I know that most airplanes are more fun the lighter you can go. Seems to be more nimble and easier to handle. But sometimes you just need that little extra time behind the stick. So it's giving me the countdown to bring it in for a landing. So let's get it lined up here. We'll get safe back on. And we'll be easing into the throttle. We do want to get a lot slower than that for the landing. So let's bring it back around. And it's giving me the ESC voltages. So we're definitely getting low on capacity. So here we go, out of the throttle. And I might have waited a little too long, but here we go. And that was 0 throttle, bringing it in with a full elevator. And one thing about landing with safe on, full elevator is not the same as when safe is off, so I didn't have as much, so you want to get all of it that you can. Well guys, it didn't take off from the grass with these little wheels, but it landed okay, and I'm super happy for that. At least, you know, being a tricycle landing gear, even when the grass is a little too much for it to be able to roll, at least it doesn't usually flip over as easy. So you still got that front nose wheel out there helping maintain the upright, and so the landing was easy enough and I was able to take off. But like I said, next time we bring it out here, we'll get the wheels off of it and see how it does with no wheels on. I'm expecting it to just be just a little bit better. In fact, we probably will do a flight with the 2200 and with the 1300 milliamp hour battery just to see what the differences are, and hopefully we'll have just a little bit nicer day, because it was windy today and it was blowing the airplane around just a little bit. But man, I love this Habu SS, the 50mm. It's so compact. I just throw it in the back seat. These little 3S batteries, there's so many people making those that you can use. It fits in there. Even the 2200 fit in there really nice. Laid it down on the bottom of the plane and it was perfect. So they did a good job at setting this up, and I'm super happy that I got it. Until next time, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here.